How to change language on Bumble. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today you'll be learning something fantastic. You'll be learning how to change language on Bumble. So if you don't know how to change language on Bumble, I'm sure you will not want to miss this insightful video. So now what you have to do is to download the Bumble app using your Play Store on your mobile phone. So once you've ensured that it's been installed, you open it, and once you've opened it, you have to this is what you're going to see on your screen. This is the interface you're going to see. At the top left corner, you see the three lines. You can click on it to know what it entails. Here it says choose a connection. So once you're on Boom Boom, you have to choose a connection, because if you don't choose a connection, people would not be able to connect to you. Okay, so there are two options here. You have the date connection, and then you have the BFF connection. So the date connection is to find people that also want to be on a date with people on Boom Boom app. So anybody that wants to have a date would easily connect to you if you're on the date connection, if you choose date connection. If you choose the BFF connection, people that just want to make friends and find community on Boom Boom would have easy access to connect to you. Okay, so Boom Boom is just an app for online dating, online relationship, and online friendship. So at the top right corner, you see the settings icon. You can click on it to have an overview of what the settings icon is all about. Okay, so back to the home page, and you see a round circle at the upper part of the screen. There, your profile picture will be displayed. Then below the circle, you see your name and your age. You also see the two icons, my pay plan icon and the safety and well-being icon. So you can just click on it to know several offers that are available that you can subscribe to on Boom Boom. So back to the question, how to change language on Boom Boom. You simply click on the settings icon that is at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you wait for settings page to load. Then you go through the settings page to ensure that you see the option to change language. Once you see the option to change language, you click on it. Then you choose the drop down will be displayed on your screen, showing you several languages that are available on Boom Boom. So you just make your choice. Okay, just make sure you choose the language that you understand. Okay, so here you just have to go through the settings page. Once you see the option change language, just ensure you click on it and you make the right choice by choosing the language that you understand. So it's very simple. Okay, so this is simply how to change language on Boom Boom. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.